Hi, I don't know how you feel about onions, but I know that if your body can tolerate eating onions, they are a super healthy addition to your diet. Onions are known to be immune boosting and powerful antioxidants. They're considered one of the superfoods. Onions are so good for you, and in my opinion, so tasty, that they're the first thing I reach for when I start to cook. I don't even know half the time what I'm going to cook for dinner, and I've got an onion chopped and in the skillet waiting to find out what else is going to be added to it. They just add a wonderful flavor to food and a very healthy benefit to our body. A good base for many dishes is finely diced onion, carrot, and celery put together in a skillet and sauteed until they slightly brown, and then deglazed with a little bit of water or stock, and then throwing in some fresh herbs. That's the beginning of a fantastic meal. You could then add a good portion of leafy greens for an extra boost of nutrition. Consider adding either some rice or some potatoes. Thicken it with a little bit of cornstarch, and you have the base of a very good soup. Bottom line is that it all started with onions, and that those onions are going to be a great boost to your immune system and to your overall health. My name is Maren Vance, and this was brought to you by Just Sprouting Together and Vance Physical Therapy and Wellness. And we hope you'll check out many of our other videos and leave us a comment. Thank you.